How to create rules in Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer and go to the Home tab. Look for the Rules option in the Move group and click Manage Rules and Alerts. A new window will open where you can see existing rules and add new ones. Then click New Rule to start creating your own. You can choose from common templates like moving emails from a certain sender to a folder, or start with a blank rule and set your own conditions. Once you pick a condition, such as emails from a specific address, click Next and then choose what you want Outlook to do with those emails, like moving them, deleting them, or flagging them. You can also add exceptions if needed, then give your rule a name so you can identify it easily later. Finally, click Finish and Apply, and Outlook will start using that rule right away to automatically organize your inbox. This is a great way to save time and keep your emails neat without having to manage everything manually. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.